So I believe this here is my Turns Pro. I believe it is, and I really hope it's my Turns Pro. I don't have a knife, but I should be alright. Whoa. That is my Turns Pro. When you don't have a knife, you can always jab things. There's that one. There's more tape on this than my birthday presents. How cool was that? Turns Pro doesn't explain how to put batteries, does it? So that's the bottom two, a minus. Does the minus go on top, or does the minus hit in the bottom? I'm going to go with my logic and think the spring is where the minus hits, so I'm going to put positive facing upwards, negative facing upwards, negative facing upwards, positive facing upwards. This lid is awfully awesome to get off. I've almost chipped it trying to get it off the first time. It's very weird. And squeeze the key, dig it in there. Just don't really see. Look, positive heat up, negative heat down, negative heat down, positive heat up. Hey guys, I'm going out today just to test out my Turns Pro. I got the device a wee while ago. It's funny now, nice weather. Go play a bit and see what I get. So a quick rundown of my. Basically, you can choose rotation turns or degrees, hours, minutes and seconds. So it is saying right now turns. I'm going to hit the options button and go degrees. I'm going to go next. I can set, does it pan back and forth, or is it just going to go one direction, even though I hate them. Clockwise, anti-clockwise, you push that to change them, either either. This is the degrees, but you can choose how often you can choose the rotation to go. It goes from 15 to 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180, 195, 110, 125, 140, 155, 170, 185, 300, 315, 330, 345, 360. And of course you don't want more than that because you're just doing rotation. So we're going to hit 45 degrees, go next. You can pick up to 9 hours. Then it clocks back. And then of course you can pick 9 hours, 9 minutes and 9 seconds. But I don't want that. So that's as long as you can do it for. You've got to reset it. What you can do is go degrees again for the slowest amount of time you can go, for the fastest time. We're at 50 degree turn at 2 seconds. and you'll see that thing rotate. 2 seconds, we'll do that again. What are we doing? Make it do 1 whole turn. So 1 whole spin as fast as it can go. 20 seconds. And I'll see this plate be turning. I think that's pretty fast. We can go from 20 seconds for a whole spin to 9 hours for a whole spin. Very fun, very flexible, very customizable. And it's just looping as well. So it's doing infinite spins at 20 seconds a turn. You can use it for a pulley system. I'm going to buy 1 more of these shortly, and I use it to pull my dolly back and forth, which would be kind of decent to see, but it costs me a bit of money. Right, that's Christmas signing out.